In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize deals with labels in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tag your deals with clear labels so you can instantly see what needs your attention and filter your pipeline with confidence. Start by heading to Deals from the left sidebar. This is your command center for everything related to your pipeline. You can be in either the pipeline view or the list view here. Both are fine, because we'll be opening a single deal to make changes. Now, open a deal you want to organize by clicking its name. This takes you into the deal's detail page where you can review all key information. Take a second to confirm you're inside the correct record so your updates land in the right place. Inside the deal, look for the label field. It's typically near the top area with the deal summary or among the main fields. If you don't spot it right away, scroll a bit. It's a standard field and should be available on every deal. Labels are designed to give you a quick, color-coded status at a glance. To add or change a label, click the Label drop-down. You'll see options like Hot, Cold, or Priority, depending on what already exists in your account. Select the one that best matches the current state of the deal. This instantly applies a color tag, so you and your team can recognize it easily. If the existing choices don't fit, you can create a new label. Click Manage Labels or Add New Label. Give your label a clear, concise name and choose a color that stands out but makes sense in your system. Then save. A quick tip here. Keep your set of labels short and meaningful, and use consistent naming so everyone on your team interprets them the same way. After saving, apply your new label by selecting it from the drop-down list. You should see it appear on the deal right away. This visual cue helps you prioritize without digging into every detail. When you're finished labeling, go back to the deals list or stay in the pipeline view to use labels for filtering. Open your filters and choose the label you want to focus on. Instantly, your view narrows to just those deals, making it easy to review hot opportunities, follow up on cold ones, or zero in on top priorities. That's it. With labels in place, you can organize and track deals clearly, collaborate more effectively, and keep your pipeline tidy. Thanks for watching.